Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Ads campaign status. Whether you're managing multiple campaigns or just want to keep track of your advertising efforts, knowing how to quickly check your campaign status is essential for effective ad management. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Locate and click on the Campaigns option. This is where all your campaign management tools live, and it's the starting point for checking the status of any campaign you're running. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. You'll notice a Campaigns drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and click on this drop-down, and from the list that appears, select Campaigns again. This might seem like a repeat, but it's actually taking you deeper into the specific campaign details section where you can view comprehensive information about all your active, paused, and deleted campaigns. Now, you'll see a list of all the campaigns you have under your Google Ads account. This is where you can quickly assess the initial status of each campaign at a glance. Look next to the checkbox on the left side of each campaign name. You'll notice different colored indicators that tell you the status immediately. A red X indicates a deleted campaign status, meaning that campaign is no longer active and has been removed. A gray icon shows a paused campaign status, which means the campaign exists but isn't currently running or spending your budget. And a green indicator means the campaign is running and enabled, actively serving ads to your target audience. For more detailed information about your campaign status, click on Ad Groups from the navigation menu. This will take you to a more granular view where you can see the performance and status of individual ad groups within your campaigns. Under the status column, you'll see each specific status for every ad campaign you have. This detailed view allows you to identify exactly which ad groups might need attention, which ones are performing well, and which might require adjustments to improve their effectiveness. And that's it. You now know how to check your Google Ads campaign status both at a high level and in detail. This simple process helps you stay on top of your advertising efforts and make informed decisions about your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.